Hello everyone, my name is Valeria and this video is an overview of my project number 1 as a part of CS50 Web Development with Python and JavaScript course. This is a book review web app where you can search for books, leave a comment and also see what other people think about it. The application is built using Flask, which is a Python framework, PostgreSQL, and deployed on Heroku server. And now I will try to show you what particular functionalities it has. So as you can see, you can register. You need to choose a name and a username and a password. So for instance, if I'm gonna put a very small password, it's not gonna work because password should be at least 3 characters. I also can't register with this username because there is already an account made with this username, so I'm gonna have to use another one. And there are some other things that it will check. So now it should work. So now I can log in, and I'm gonna log in with this account that I already made. Now I'll try to search by ISBN and gives me only this title. I can also search by part of the ISBN. It's gonna give me some other. I can also filter by title, and let's try to search for this one. No results found. Now it works. It also works if I have small letters. Search by author. Let's try this one, and let's try and go to, this is the book page. As you can see, there are book details for each book, and I also used Goodreads API to get the number of reviews for this actual book and the average rating for it. But right now I'm going to write a new review. So this is my review. I'm gonna try to write another one, and it's not going to work because I can write only one review. I also can't post in case I did not checked any rating. It's not gonna allow me to post anything, and it's the same with the comment. It's not going to allow me to post anything with that either. There is a navbar that allows me to go through different places, different pages. I can search from all the pages after I log in. So I'm going to try to search for something again. For instance, it won't find anything like this, but it will find me the books of this author. If I log out, I won't be able to search again. And all of this is built with help of session. So each user has its own session and its own reviews. So you can see here that there are 2 different users posting 2 different reviews. And this is my API. Thank you for watching. I hope that was pretty clear and useful.